Using this in my daughter's room and noticing how much it collects. I love that it can go over any carpet or solid surface. It collects tons of hair, which we have 3 girls in our house, so that's quite a challenge. And then whenever I want to clean it, I can just run soap and water over it. It is a rubber bristle. They're nice and sturdy, about maybe 1.5 inches. This is a solid metal pole, so I love that everything is water resistant, fully washable, and it does have this squeegee edge as well. So I can show that. So if you want to use this on tile in a bathroom, great, just wash it when you're done. And then it's so great for carpet too. I'll show you how we use this for carpet, which is really our main use for getting the hair up. I think the main thing I notice when using it is those rubber bristles really grab the deep hair in the carpet. So sometimes my vacuum will leave that behind. Actually, the girls vacuum their own rooms, but it's that hair removal of the everyday cleaning, lightweight, it's durable. Honestly, it's one of the best tools that we've had for getting the hair up. And let me see if I can show you up close. Look at that. That's crazy. It's also kind of scary, but yeah, it really does the job. If you're on the fence with this thing, it's fantastic.